Hello viewers, I have been using iPad 10th generation for a couple of months, and in this video I am going to share my honest opinion about this iPad 10th generation. Apart from the 64 GB of storage, I felt no problem in this tablet, be it multitasking or multimedia consumption. Actually, this tablet will give you everything. You will be very satisfied using this tablet. The ecosystem of Apple is excellent. You will feel that you are using a premium tablet. I have used this tablet along with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, but in FE Plus I felt some hiccups, and also the display on Tab S9 FE Plus is not as vivid or bright as iPad 10th generation. You can see that in outdoor conditions also you can clearly see the display, and the display legibility is excellent. Though it is not an HDR display, yet you can get a very good experience playing these videos. Plus, this tablet is not very heavy, it is very portable. You can hold this tablet for a longer period of time, but you cannot do so for Tab S9 FE Plus, which is very heavy. I normally use iPad 10th generation indoors, so I don't feel any kind of legibility issue along with this iPad 10th generation. As it comes with a 14 Bionic chipset, it is very good in multitasking, and also other tasks you can do a lot of creativity tasks in this iPad 10th generation. Normally I do 3 tasks on this tablet. The first is multimedia consumption. I consume a lot of multimedia contents on YouTube, Netflix, Amazon and many other OTT platforms, and I thoroughly enjoy. Also, it comes with stereo speakers which will give you enough loudness. However, the speakers are not as loud as you get on Tab S9 FE Plus or any other tablet with quad or dual speakers. One of the major factors for having a great experience using iPad 10th generation is the multitasking. You can open as many apps as you want. As this tablet comes with a 14 Bionic chipset, the multitasking experience on this tablet is excellent. Though the display is only 60 Hz, but you will not feel that it is a 60 Hz. The animation is very smooth, so you will thoroughly enjoy. Plus, you have pen support, but you have to buy iPencil or third-party pencil separately. I have bought this pencil from King One. The writing experience of this third-party pencil is very good. I have made a dedicated video on the note-taking experience on iPad 10th generation. The default note app is also excellent. You can do a lot of productive tasks using the iPencil on the note app. You can change everything, and also along with this you can drag or insert any text or object from any other websites or sources. However, I must admit that the note-taking experience is better on Tab S9 FE Plus. The S Pen that comes free of cost with Tab S9 FE Plus gives you better feeling while writing anything on the screen. However, I am not complaining about this iPad 10th generation and the note-taking experience. Note-taking experience is also better here, but the best experience that you get from Tab S9 FE Plus. If you want to use any other app, you have to pay a little bit of amount. Suppose you want to download good notes, but you have to pay around 1000 rupees for a yearly membership. However, if you are a student, you can manage with the default note app, which will give you enough creativity options, so this will suffice your need. The battery life of iPad 10th generation is average. You can expect an SOT of 6 hours if you use continuously, and if you use it for 2 to 3 days, in that case you may expect an SOT of 4 hours plus on a single charge. However, you can charge the device very quickly using the 20-watt charger that comes inside this box. So these are my experience using iPad 10th generation. Actually, I am very happy using this tablet, And if you want to buy this tablet, you can buy it at around 22 to 23,000 rupees in Flipkart during Big Billion Days sale using HDFC credit card. Do let me know in the comment sections below if you are going to buy this tablet. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.